Hello everybody and welcome to the Grange Headteacher Gold Praise video, 25th of May 2020, the half-term special. It's me, Mr. Kerbal, your Grange head teacher, and I'm here to celebrate with you because if you're in this video, you have proof that you are the boss of yourself, that you're making great choices with confidence and consideration. You're a true CC learner, and you have been outstanding in your independent online learning last week. You've been chosen by your teachers because you submitted high quality, consistent, great online work. So Gold Achievement Awards as chosen by your teachers for the week 18th of May to 22nd of May. In nursery, we didn't have any golds this last week. I'm going to say, come on nursery, let's go for gold after the half term. But in reception, we had a lot of children with outstanding, high quality, consistent work. And Naya, well done Dylan, and Maisa, and Mate, and Izan, and Saria, Mudasir, Narissa, Didat, Musa, and Sarah. Well done, reception children. Proud of you. In year one, we have Alma, and Shoria, and Yusuf, and Riley, and George. Well done, year one. In year two, we had Diana, we had Ansh, we had Uzair, and David. Well done, year two. In year three, we had Maria, we had Ashvini, we had Gabriella, we had Pujan, Maya, Emeld, Alana, Piotr, and Christoph. Well done, year three. Proud of you. In year four, we had Ajay and Habez. Well done, year four. In year five, we had Rice, Ibrahim, Anastasia. Well done. And Maria, and Evelina, Mati, Lena, Dua, Patrick, Mora, and year five. There were so many of you, I had to go to a second page. And Kavish, and Ali R, Anastasia, Nora, Adam, and Diana. Well done, year five. Brilliant this week. In year six, we had Raki, and Nesser, and Jack, and Sebastian, Kathleen, and Abner. Well done, year six. So children and families, you know our motto, be great, be Grange. And if you are on this video, well, that's just proof that that's the way you are living your life with confidence and consideration. You're a true CC learner. Well done. We're proud of you.